Welcome to uKnowva HRMS Foundation course series. In this video, we'll walk you through managing employee shifts efficiently, ensuring smooth operations and accurate attendance tracking. Let's begin. The first step is creating a shift master, a centralized repository for defining shifts. We have already explained this in detail previously in the Setting Data Fields and Masters chapter. But let's give you a quick recap in terms of setting up a shift master here. Navigate to Configuration Settings and click Do you want to use our default master data? Under Set Data Fields and Masters, click View and Set up Master Data, then scroll down to Set up Shift Master Data. Here, you can import data to bulk upload shifts via a CSV file, add data to manually create a new shift, view existing shifts for editing or exporting. This setup ensures seamless shift management for your workforce. Next, define a default shift in employee profiles to automatically assign shifts to new hires. This section has been explained previously in setting up data fields and masters, but let's recap on how to configure default shifts in employee profiles. Go to Configuration Settings and access Set Data Fields and Masters. Under Do you want to use our default employee data fields? Click View Default Options to check if the default shift field exists. If not, click No. Add new employee data fields to create it. Configure details like category, name, field code, and group, then click Save. This ensures every new employee has a predefined shift. To create a new shift, go to the Shift Master submenu under the HR Manager menu. Click the plus icon to open a pop-up. Enter details like title, start time, end time, location, and status, then click Save. For bulk creation, use the Import button to upload a CSV file. You can also export shift data for record keeping or analysis. To edit a shift, click the pen icon under the Action column. Make changes and click Save. To assign shifts, navigate to the Team menu and select Team Members. Option 1 is to assign shifts via employee profiles. For that, you need to open a desired employee's profile and click Edit Profile. Then, go to the Employment Information tab, select the default shift, and click Save. Second option is to assign shifts in bulk. For that, you need to go back to the Team Members page. Select Employees by checking the boxes next to their names. Click the Assign Shift button and choose the desired shift. For specific days, click on a date, select the shift from the pop-up, and click Submit. Managers can modify shifts dynamically to meet operational needs. First option is to change shifts manually. For that, you need to go to the Team's main menu and then select the Team Member submenu. Locate the employee and click the Change Shift WAF button under the Action column. Select the date, choose the new shift, and click Submit. Second option is to change shifts in bulk. For that, you need to select multiple employees on the Team Members page and click the Bulk Operations button. Choose Bulk Edit User, update the default shift field, and click Save. And that's it! You've learned how to manage employee shifts in uKnowva HRMS, from creating shift masters to assigning and modifying shifts dynamically. Thank you for watching.